So let's say if we're going to fix this iPhone 5 here, you really need just a pentalab screw to remove the two screws down here, and you're going to need some screwdrivers, just a small one, to open some of the screws inside here. So depending on your repair jobs, you're not going to need everything. You're going to need a tweezer to pick out some of the items, some of the screws in here and certain things. You also need a spatula, so a plastic spatula to pry out some of the flex cables. And you probably need a blade, or you can use this pry tools to pry out the screen. And this blade here is also quite useful. So this one here, you can pop in easily get into the screen and pry it out. Here's another metal pry tool that you can use to pry out the battery. So if you're going to replace a battery, you're going to need to use one of these.